Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about how the market is kind of coming down here a little bit. I want to talk about Coin, Crypto.com, and give you guys my opinion on where I think we could be headed here in the short term to mid term. So, guys, without further ado, we are at 8,860 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So, subscribe right now. We're getting close, guys. Super exciting. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now we are coming down. The sell in May walk away is starting to kind of nudge me and tell me that that's kind of what's happening here. Especially having these daily candle closes below 28,200. I unfortunately do believe that we're probably going to come down a little bit more. But all in all, it is healthy consolidation. We are at 46.88% on the Bitcoin dominance level. I do think that liquidity needs to come out of the market a little bit more, but as of right now, guys, we just need to keep seeing. We need to recover. We need to see 28,200 daily candle closes above that for more bullish continuation. But as of right now, let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart because it tells a true story here what's going on. Because if we continue to have these daily candle closes below this level of 28,200, to be quite frank with you guys, the next key level here, we do have a level here at 26,300. However, I do think that if we break below this and we're having daily candle closes, the longer we stay below 28,200 on the daily, I think that 25,300 is a much more predictable and certain level. I don't like to use the word certain or definite, especially when it comes to trading, because all trading really is probability and statistics. But I do think that there's a high likelihood if these daily candle closes continue to close and slide down below 28,200 that we do come to the $25,000 price level. So keep that in mind, guys. Sell and May walk away is definitely a thing when it comes to the traditional market, and it's starting to seem that it is going to be bleeding into the crypto space for this May, at least for this year, because not every May do we have a big capitulation or anything like that. I mean, there's been some years where we've had 100% price gain on Bitcoin in May. So keep that in mind. I do think that we will potentially have a summer of sideways action, and that's okay, guys. That's okay, because the Bitcoin halving is about a year away from here. I do believe that 19,500 to the low 40,000s is the price range. So be prepared for a lot of sideways action. Also be prepared for some moves to the upside. I do think that we are due or overdue for some sideways action. When we zoom out and we look at the weekly chart on Bitcoin, you can kind of see that there's many similarities to where we are at right now. Let's look at the daily. That will play a better picture. There's many similarities to where we are right now with how it was like in the 2018, 2017 cycle. This motion right here, we had about 6 months to the upside, then 6 to 7 months to the side. And we're having something quite similar happening right now where we had about 5 to 6 months to the upside, and I believe that we'll probably have 5 to 6 months sideways. I think that's very, very similar. Past events do not dictate future price. However, this is the data that we have, and there are similarities and things to be drawn from the past, and that's what we're pulling from. That we're pulling data from the past because that's all we have. That's all we have, and I do believe that that's something similar to the 2017 to 2019 move is something similar that we're going to have here leading into the Bitcoin halving that's about 11 months away. So let's talk about Coin because, as you guys know, when Bitcoin is taking some heat, well, unfortunately, the other altcoins are as well. And I mean, Coin is not an outlier with that as of right now. We are below the 0.0689 cent, which is a very, very key price level of mine. I do believe it will probably hit the 0.0608 or about the 6 cent mark. That's kind of my price target, especially if Bitcoin goes to about 25,000. I would like to see us touch about the 6 cents price target of Coin. But as of right now, there's still a good chance that we can bounce back up to here and trade underneath this 0.0689. I mean, we are basically pegged to that price level. But all in all, guys, still in the accumulation zone. Probably going to be here for another 6 to 12 months, so be prepared for that, guys. Be prepared for that. You know, if you're here right now and you've been accumulating, pat yourself on the back because you will be rewarded. That's not financial advice, but in my opinion, if you've been buying when it's boring, when the market starts heating up and hype starts flowing in the crypto space, like you guys remembered about last week, a couple days ago, the hype surrounding the meme coins, all the liquidity coming into that, you'll start seeing that liquidity flow into the projects that are actually doing things like crypto.com, Crocoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You're going to start seeing liquidity flowing in there, and then you'll have an explosion, guys. We will have a large crypto explosion, and that will happen leading into the Bitcoin halving, if not a few months after the Bitcoin halving. So be prepared for that. I do want to touch on Pepe a little bit because we are flowing down. Be very, very, very careful here, guys. If we do break below where we're at, basically right here, if we come down another 5-10%, I would be worried about a waterfall action. So be prepared for that, guys, if you're in these meme coins. I hope that you made some money through the meme coins. I don't necessarily think that the party's over just yet, but I do think that liquidity is going to start drying up here, especially if some of these bigger players are pulling money out of the crypto space. However, I will also say, I do need to say this, because I am talking about how doom and gloom, I think that we're due for some price action to the downside, sell in May and walk away. That doesn't necessarily mean that we just come down to 25,000 and we trade sideways the entire time for another year. There are possibilities where we come down in May to, say, 25,000, and then in June, we come up to 40,000. There are possibilities of that. These things can happen. So you need to have your finger on the pulse. You need to see what's going on, and here at the Crypto Report, we're going to be doing that every day, be giving you guys updates and let you know what's going on. But guys, if you like this type of content and you stuck around this far, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot. Really excited. We're getting so close to 10,000 subscribers. At 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away this loaded line NFT. Guys, there's more and more giveaways to come. We're super excited about it. We love giving you guys this info. We love growing. Also, if you stuck around this far, please consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video, click the join button. You get access to our custom emojis and loyalty badges, as well as our private Discord, where you have NFT alpha, trade signals, and more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. But that's all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.